Hello guys, welcome to our channel Mystic Hindi Tarot. So today we are going to do a love reading for Aquarians for the month of August, and it is going to be a general reading, so it might not resonate with everyone, so just keep that in mind. And I have opened lines for personal readings, so you can get my WhatsApp number in the description or on the screen. It's flashing right now, so you can WhatsApp me and book your personal reading. It's not free, it's a paid reading. And if you are booking from outside of India, you have to do wire transfer, okay? And if you are in India and if you want to book my reading, so you have to just opt for the Google payments, okay? So yes, let's start. We will see what's happening for Aquarius in the month of August, okay? Let's focus on your person's feeling, Aquarians. Let's see what they will be. Yeah, what's happening for Aquarians for the in the month of August, the person, how they are going to feel. I am also going to upload weekly readings over here, also bonus ones. So if you are interested and if you are new to my channel, please consider subscribing my channel. I also have Hindi channel, so if you can understand Hindi, so you can visit my channel. I have all the links in the description box. So yes, okay. 7 of Swords, you might be dealing with another Gemini, Libra, Aquarius. 6 of Wands might be dealing with a fire sign, Aries, Leo, Sag. Page of Swords might be dealing with another air sign, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius. Let's see what your feelings will be like in August, what you will be feeling like, what will be Aquarians feeling like, what's happening in their love life, what's happening for Aquarius in their love life. Okay, 2 of Pentacles, maybe dealing with an earth sign, Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn. Judgment, okay. Ace of Pentacles, another earth sign. And the mutual feeling is King of Cups, okay. Water sign, Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces. Okay, so for Aquarians, what I'm seeing here is your person has trust issues with you. Maybe in August, you're going to see your person is not trusting you much. They're showing a lot of distrust in you. Okay, maybe they want to it might be you or your person. Someone is not trusting the other person in August, cutting them off, okay, taking some sort of revenge. Okay, I'm also seeing here revengeful actions being taken in August. Blame games, quite blame games, okay. But the good thing is they have feelings for you. But August is going to be a little bit of a roller coaster for you, okay, when dealing with this person. Either it is them who is not being true to you and blaming you or making you feel guilty for something that you have not done, like a narcissist behavior, or it is you who is not trusting this person. Maybe they did something in the past and they did not even clarify that what they did, okay. They didn't even say sorry to you. Quite confusing. And I think you want this person to take some big decisions. Maybe you will ask this person to decide on something. Maybe there are 2 people involved, and on your side or their side, or maybe they want you to take some decision because judgment is on your side. You need to decide something, or maybe you need to decide whether you want to deal with this person anymore or not, because what they do is they do wrong to you, they wrong you, and then they just vanish away without even explaining or even without saying sorry, and then they blame you. When you confront this person, they blame you. Okay, Aquarians, this person is quite an attention seeker. They keep you stressed all the time. In August also I'm seeing the same behavior. Nothing is going to change as much. Or maybe you are going to walk away from this person. You are going to decide not to let this person walk all over your feelings all over again. Maybe you are going to walk away, and you will start or expect something new, maybe a new offer from someone new. Okay, you are not going to let this person come back. I think you are going to start something with a new person, maybe. Okay, you are ending old chapters that are not doing any good to you. Okay, maybe they are playing with your feelings and you're like, I'm done. Aquarians, you are like, you will keep yourself busy in maybe your work or your whatever you do for you might be studying, you might be working, so you might keep yourself busy because you don't want to divert, or you don't want to indulge into this person once more, so you're diverting your energy elsewhere, or you may be even finding new love. Okay, in August, I think your person, you're going to shut off this person completely. You're going to shut off someone, and you're going to accept someone's love, of someone new is coming here. Okay, with this Seven of Swords at their side and Two of Pentacles, I'm definitely seeing someone is always in and out of the relationship, and someone is tired, like someone is giving up and focusing on their self. It might be you or your person. Okay, you know it better. Okay, because many people are watching this video, so you know it better. You can't lie to yourself if this is you. Okay, and with the Six of Wands on their side and Judgment, I think you are taking decision, you're standing strong on yourself, for yourself, and shutting this person off. And this person, they have this tendency to grab your attention. After doing wrong, this person wants you to come back and chase this person, but this time you're not going to go back. You're not going to initiate anything, and that is going to stress this person out. They're just going to sit and wait for you, and you're not coming. Good news for them. And Page of Swords on their side and Ace of Pentacles, I think you don't want their drama. You don't want this person's drama anymore. You want a new person in your life. You want to start your new chapter in your love life, and that is going to happen. You are manifesting a new person in your life, overall new opportunity. Okay, it is upon you to deal with this narcissistic person, or maybe you can move forward in your life. Okay, let's see what mutual energies do we have. Hidden feelings, not showing your feelings on the surface, keeping it inside. You both are keeping your feelings inside. Okay, your person also has feelings for you, but they behave as if they don't care. Maybe they are hurting you by their behavior. Okay, in August, this is going to be a roller coaster. For many of you, you are going to want this person back. You are going to take all the shit again, all over again. But many of you are going to move away from this person. Okay, you're not going to show your feelings. You know this, you love this person, and they love you back, but the timing and the behavior or the stress this person is causing you is just unacceptable now. Okay, with this Four of Wands, what I feel here is maybe you wanted to settle down with this person. You want this person to come back with a solid commitment, but they are having another plans. Maybe they want to first clear some air between you both, and then they will think about the commitment. Okay, so this is what I'm seeing here. Not much, like Aquarians, we don't have much for you. Okay, and communication is coming in. Maybe they will clarify some things with you. Maybe you did something wrong to them and they want to confront you something. This communication is coming. Or maybe they will put their side in front of you. Maybe they did not do anything wrong in the past and you accused them maybe, and they will put their side. and you will be like, you will be too busy to hear them out. Okay, Aquarians, you don't want to entertain this person. What the vibes I'm getting is you don't want to entertain this person anymore. Okay, Aquarians, let's clarify some cards. What is the Seven of Swords about? Let me first shuffle these cards real quick. These are too small cards, so they don't fit. Okay. What is the Seven of Swords about? This person's side. Okay. So, I think maybe they took their time off to either prove something to you or maybe see what's true. They want to find out what's the truth. Okay. So that's why they were taking their time in the past. What is the Six of Wands about? Okay, they were waiting for the right time to take action, maybe, or maybe they want you to take some action. So waiting for the right time. Okay, what is this Page of Swords about? Four of Wands again. So I think this person is also wanting to take things further with you, but they have some sort of grudges. They have these grudges inside them. They want to clear some things with you, and then they will think about taking things further. Okay, Aquarians, so they have love for you. They feel complete with you. Okay, so maybe for some of you this person is coming back because Four of Wands is the mutual energy, and clarifier is also a Four of Wands. So what is this King of Cups about? Oh God, lovers. So you may be dealing with another Gemini, maybe another air sign. Okay, so yes, they have love for you, you have love for them, this is undeniable. But the thing is, there needs to be a lot of exchange of clarifications. Okay, that needs to be done. Okay, what is this Eight of Wands about? Is this communication in a good sense, like coming back together? They are hurt with this Four of Swords. They are hurt, or maybe you are hurt, and someone don't want to clarify to the other person, and someone wants to. Okay, so what is this Two of Pentacles about? Okay, another Two of Pentacles. Two of Pentacles clarifying the Two of Pentacles. This is rare. I mean, definitely I think you're going to be super busy in August. You're going to divert yourself, really, like you're going to keep yourself busy. What is this Judgment card about? There is going to be you're going to decide whether to deal with this person or not, or maybe this decision is about dealing with the old person or taking this new love offer. Okay, so yes, this was it. Let's see what advice do we have for Aquarians for the month of August. What advice? You really need advice. I really feel that you need advice. Okay, what advice do we have for Aquarians? Release. I think you need to release this particular person who is behaving in a narcissistic manner. You have the ability to give over unwanted energies. So you need to decide whether this person is unwanted or not. You know better. You know better for yourself. So decide for yourself. So this can be specific message for many of you. You need to either release a person, or maybe you need to release the need to control some things. Okay, so they will be as they want to. You just don't have to control anything. Present, you need to be in the present moment. Okay, so you live in the moment and are able to bring forth the energy of love in your current circumstance. I definitely feel you need to be in the current, you need to be mindful. You need to bring your consciousness to the present. You don't need to think about the past or maybe the future. You just need to be here and now. Okay, so these were your advices. Now let's see what handwritten, what message do we have from our handwritten messages. Okay, what messages do we have for Aquarians? What messages do we have for Aquarians for the month of August? Okay, maybe this person or you might feel as if they are your husband or wife material. Okay, I saw this with the Four of Wands. There is love, yeah. I see there is love, but many things need to be sorted in order to get to this stage. Twin flames, maybe you are twin flames. Okay, clarity, maybe you want clarity from this person. Family issues, maybe you both are dealing this because of family getting involved into this. Okay, and blame games, I told you this from the very first. You both are doing this to each other, or maybe they are doing this to you. Blame games. Okay, so yes, this was it for Aquarians. I hope this reading helps you in some way, shape or form. I'm really sorry for the mumble. And yes, if you want a bonus reading for Aquarians, you can comment down. I will do that. And yes, see you in next video.